Hey Flip fam, Flip Man here, out flipping some homes in Arizona, and I have a home to show you guys, and I want to explain what happened on this one. I picked it up about 9 months ago under contract from a friend of a friend who knew I was buying fix and flip, so it was a referral, and it literally has taken 9 months, 2 title companies, but we're about to close it next week. There was a death probate, and we just had to jump through some hoops and solve the problems with the title company, and the second title company was able to facilitate, so we should be closing next week. I'll show you around and we could take a quick look at the property. So at this time, most likely what I'm gonna do is keep this as a long-term rental, but I haven't fully decided. I may flip it. If I flipped it, I can make about 50,000, 55,000 on this one. We'll go into the house in a second, but it's 2 parcels, so it was a heck of a deal. I'll let you guys figure out what I got it for. You could comment below if you have a price. Here's the house, the structure. I bought the lot behind it also, which is, I believe, 0.35 of an acre. And so what I'm gonna do with the land behind it, I'm gonna put 3 trailers on there and definitely rent the doors out from the trailers. So cash flow. And then we'll go inside this house and I'll show you around and show you what I'm gonna do to it. Flip fam, come on in, I'll show you guys around. This here is a addition. We'll go back there. The home is approximately 1,800 square feet with the addition, built in the late 60s. This is your formal family room. And then we have the kitchen. Nice little kitchen here. So I probably won't do much with the kitchen if I rent it out. Even if I flip it, I'll probably just refinish the cabinets and add some knobs and handles there. Remember, kitchens and bathrooms are what really sell the homes. I'll keep you guys posted if I'm gonna keep it as a rental or flip it. Again, haven't fully decided, and I never really do. I just like to control the properties and then I make the decision from there. So it is a 3-bedroom, decent sized rooms. It's got the probably original 1960 up here. So that'll all be changed out. Looks like they updated the shower, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago because they used the dark browns on that one. Got some 1960s paneling. This is the 2nd bedroom. Again, decent sized bedrooms. And then, I don't know if you can see in here, this is third bedroom. So basically, when I buy the homes, 95% of them I take as is. So it's just from doing so many deals, over 1,000 deals now, I know the major components that could go wrong or that I have to look at. So again, roof, AC, plumbing, electrical, I kind of do a visual, and this one I'll test it out just fine as far as those being in working order and good condition. The roof too tested good. So those are really your big concerns when you're looking at houses. The roof, the AC, the electrical, plumbing. So if you're new or just beginning, definitely get your inspector out there if you can. A lot of wholesale deals, it's as is, but if you can, have the inspector guide you and show you what is up with those major components. So this would be a great one. Any questions or anything, please comment below. Just let me know. We're excited to show you guys the process that we go through to fix and flip. So stay tuned. Have a great day. Peace. Hey Flip Nation, Flip Man here. Hey, awesome news guys. I have created a new ebook on how to scale your business to 6 figures fixing and flipping. Want you guys to check it out. It's free. Go to my Instagram at flippin_az and register to get your free ebook on how to scale 6 figures in fix and flip business.